Do you have too many Instagram accounts to post on and can't sit there uploading to each one? Downcast face with sweat. Today, I'll show you how to auto-post on Instagram. Automatically publish your content super fast, save time, and still keep great engagement. For those of you doing online business, affiliate marketing, or managing multiple fan pages, posting manually is time-consuming and prone to scheduling mistakes. If you forget to post at the golden hour, your reach will drop and engagement will decline. That's why you need auto-posting. First, go to the viral marketing section. Then, for the first option, select Post Article. Next, we need to configure the software settings. After that, select the content you want to post. Select the Instagram accounts you have. Then click the Start button to let the software run. With just a few simple steps, the software automatically opens your Instagram accounts and starts posting for you. See that? With just one click, everything's perfectly handled. That's the power of auto-posting. If you found this video helpful, please thumbs up, subscribe bell, and leave a comment if you'd like me to create a more detailed tutorial.